Today we're talking about batteries. We have some really exciting products. First up is the battery pack. This is a USB battery pack, 18 volt, because it can be charged on a charger. Once it's charged, it has the USB-C and the USB-A ports. It has a button to show you what the charge is, and this is really exciting. So you can take this and couple it with this adapter, and now I have a battery pack for my DeWalt device. And I can also charge my phone or whatever from this battery pack. Very cool, very neat product. Combo product. I really like that. That's really nice. So these two work together. Third, I've got the 8 amp hour battery pack for DeWalt devices. Has the button on it. There's really not much to say. Clips in and goes. Alright, so these are the products. That is really cool. So you've got the battery pack, the battery adapter for the battery pack, and the 8 amp hour battery. Very neat system. This will definitely come in handy.